How to change the color of text in Figma. This is fundamental skill in design, helping you communicate effectively and add visual interest to your project. So let's get started. Alright, here we are at Figma. Let's jump right into how to change the color of your text. First, select the text layer that you want to change the color for. So I'm selecting this text over here, and this is the sign that it has been selected. And you can do this by, as you can see, simply clicking directly on the text on the canvas. If you haven't added any text yet, go ahead and use the text tool to create a new text box, like at the bottom you can see. So once your text layer has been selected, look over at the right and you can see the properties panel. Scroll a little bit down. All you have to do is look for the fill option right here and click on that box. You'll see a color box next to fill. Click into that and a color picker will appear, allowing you to choose any color of your choice. You can select a color from the palette, like you can use a slider, like you either use purple, blue, green, whatever you like. And also, like if you have any specific hex code in mind, you can simply go to here and type in that hex code directly into the hex field, or you can also type in here and a drop down menu appear. You can either go for RGB, CSS, SSL. Let's stick to hex right now and okay, this is it. Let's choose our desired color. Okay, I'm gonna pick a bright red over here. And while you're here, you can also adjust the opacity of your text color using the opacity slider right below the color picker. Here it's right now in 100%. You can move up to maybe 40. And this can be useful for creating softened or more like faded text effects. Once you've chosen your color, just click. You don't even need to click. You can instantly see the update on your canvas. But in order to, make sure, just click outside the box. And there you go. You can see the update immediately on the canvas, and that's it. You know how to change the color of text in Figma. Adding color is a powerful way to enhance your designs and convey emotions effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and as the text says, subscribe to Tech Basic. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.